Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. Well, Tiger release day, and what a day it has been. We've had everything go right and everything go wrong. As some of you will have noticed, we had a website crash at one point, and I apologise for that right from the start. I noticed, or I heard word that several other websites crashed as well, so it wasn't just ours, but there was always going to be huge volume on a day like today. So again, apologies if that affected you. We have been expanding bandwidth. We will keep expanding bandwidth. I don't know what the long-term answer is, but we'll keep giving it a good crack. Probably the other thing I need to apologise for is the Platinum Tiger. I apologised before we did the release. I apologised just before we did the release. And I'm apologising afterwards, and I'll probably apologise on the live stream or something along those sort of lines. It's a very limited production. We got a very limited allocation. It was always going to be a mess. I apologise for it, and I'm sorry for it again if that's impacted on you. We are begging Perth Mint for more Platinum Tigers. I'm not holding my breath, so this isn't certainly a call out for pre-orders or expressions of interest. I doubt they'll give us any more, but I'm hoping that they will. So keep an eye on the website. You never know your luck. As far as the others went, they all went pretty well from what I saw. So just a quick recap. The half ounce, the 1 ounce and the 2 ounce in the silver were all released as pre-order this morning. By just after lunchtime, they all turned up, which was fantastic. So if you've placed a pre-order on any of those silvers, you will actually find that they will get filled in the next day or so and either available for click and collect or dispatched out to you. I did note just before we came on camera, we'd actually moved the 2 ounce back into pre-order. So it looks like that we've sold out all that have turned up, and we're now working on the next lot, which probably won't be here for a week or two. But you can still order them, and we will fill that order as quickly as possible. That was the 2 ounce I was mentioning. The half ounce we still have. I'm just looking on my screen, and it looks like the half ounce is still on pre-order on the screen. We can actually remove that from pre-order and put it as in stock. The 1 ounce at this stage, the 1 ounce we've run out of online. I know there is a few left through Sam, so 1300, 84, 84, 10, but we split the allocation between the website and phone sales. I know Sam's got a few left, but it's a very limited few. Again, I'm begging more of those off Perth Mint. I think I will get more of those. So if you missed out, keep your eye out. You should be able to get some more, but I can't guarantee it at this stage. As far as the gold goes, the 1/20th still hasn't been produced, so we haven't listed those at all. The 1/10th, the 1/2, the 1/10th, the 1/4, the 1/2, the 2 ounce and the 10 ounce were all released as in stock. I noticed just before we came on camera, the 2 ounces sold out, or our allocation that we've got here is sold out. I have more ordered. They will be here in about a week or so. So you can still place a pre-order on the 2 ounce, and we'll get it to you within about a week to 2 weeks. Shouldn't be a problem. The 1 ounce is on pre-order because it hasn't shown up at this stage, but we've still got plenty of those coming in. So if you place your order for those, you should see, again, your order within a week or two, and you should have it in your hot little hand. The other ones we still have in stock, so if you place an order on those other sizes, we should be able to make it available for click and collect almost immediately, or it'll be dispatched fairly quickly. I have just had word from Perth Mint on a wholesale level that they're placing the 1/10ths on a back order. So we've just been notified that they won't be dispatched for another 10 days. So just be aware of that. If you're after the 1/10th, grab them while you can, because there's going to be a period there where we won't be able to get hold of them. And I think that's it for a recap of the Lunar Tiger Day. It was a pretty crazy, insane day. Lots of people got what they wanted. A few people missed out on what they wanted. Don't stop trying if you missed out on like the Platinum Tiger. You will see them floating around the system. I have noted that the prices have started to increase on those on the web already. So we're starting to see adverts for them well above the $1,600 mark. So they will move fairly quickly. Their prices will increase. Not financial advice. I would be quite happy paying up to that $16.50 price, because I think you will see you'll still see fairly decent growth from that going on historical pricing. But yeah, like I said, they are starting to move. So if you can find them at let's say cheaper than that, 1650, 1600 even. If you can find them at less than that and you're interested, absolutely grab them. Don't wait any longer because they are selling rapidly. And that's about all I've got, unless, Joe, you want to add anything in there?
Not me. You've done a great job as usual.
All right.
No.
That's it for now. Watch the website if you missed out on anything. So bullionnow.com.au. You can always phone in 1300 84 84 10, talk to the lovely Sylvia or Sam, and they'll be able to answer your questions or place orders. Live chat is operating, so you can talk to Ben on live chat, or you can email. That's the other one I was going to go for. sales@bullionnow.com.au. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.